This video is about failure. So since we started the channel, we made some good videos and we made some very good videos. And usually when I edit and I like the final product, we would upload it. But it's not always like that. For example, yesterday we went to an event with high hopes to get a nice footage and make a nice video for you guys. But the reality was different. And it happens once in a while. So usually when I don't like the footage, I would just delete it and forget. But today I want to show you the footage from yesterday and kind of talk it through and see what went wrong. Enjoy watching.
Yeah, like this and...
Right, so it's 6 AM. We are in the middle of the mountains, middle of nowhere. We came here with Marek, Boogie and Kruczek, and it's gonna be a good day. It started as usual. We woke up very early in the morning, we grabbed some friends and we went to the event. It was a very nice road in the mountain, a lot of cool cars around, a lot of people chilling, talking, integrating. It was supposed to be a nice weekend. So now to understand how shooting cars works for me, it's not like pointing the camera in a car, capture a couple angles and that's it. I really need to feel the vibe of the car. I really need to appreciate the car to get the nice results. Because otherwise, when I film a car I don't really like, you can say straight away on the footage. And although most of the cars on the event were very nice builds, they just weren't in my taste. Of course everyone's different. For example, I like low Japanese drift cars and you might like a classic Golf or an Audi. And it's cool, as long as we respect each other. So on this event there were many cars that were built well, but they just weren't fitting my style. And that was the first frustration. I was getting the shots of the car, but only few cars I was shooting, I was really into them. So then we were chilling and then two guys went over to us and they said, hey, we got this Silvia S15, maybe you guys want to film it? And yeah, we got excited. We said like, yeah, why not? Let's take the car and let's go film it.
So we are not far from the event. We decided to leave for today because there was many cars, but not very many cars that we actually liked. So we found these guys that have a nice S15 and they were like, do you want to film it? And we're like, yeah, why not? So we're doing it now right now.
Yeah, so we're just gonna grab the guys, go find the location, film it. It's pretty stock S15, but pretty clean and nice, so yeah, let's go. So we went to this quiet road in the forest in order to film the car, and as soon as I took my camera out of the bag, it started to rain. Starting to rain, obviously, just in the time that we are gonna start shooting. Flipping rain, man. Remember when I said a nice quiet road in the forest?
Of course, every time we drove here for a few kilometers, we didn't see a single car. We put the car here.
Remember I said that it's gonna be a good day, yeah?
Actually it is, I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, but...
I mean, like, yeah, the event was 50-50, but maybe let's do a shot.
And because the event was taking place not far from us, there were many modified cars around driving, and of course there was many police cars as well. So we couldn't really film what we wanted to film with the Silvia because when we tried to get some rolling shots, you know, filming from a car, before we even take off, there was a police car and they stopped us and they said we cannot do that. So we were getting frustrated because we didn't want to risk, you know, having troubles with police to film this car. So we gave up. So we stopped filming because it's a bit annoying where there's like police everywhere, and they stopped us once and then they saw us going by. So I think there's no point of risking, you know, filming a video and like drifting in corners when there's a lot of police around. So we're just gonna call it a day and we just go home. Bit of a bummer. And it was a bummer, but at the end of the day we still spent a nice Saturday with friends chilling in the mountains instead of just staying at home and waste time. So it wasn't that bad after all. Thank you for watching and have a good Sunday. I still didn't find the keys for Kevin, but we have a solution. Alright, let's go.